Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. In the last class, we have seen the arithmetic progression, the terms and common difference of AP. The terms are in the form A, S, A plus D, yes, A plus 2D, and so on. The last term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes. So, the A is the first term. A plus D is the second term. And third term. And so on. A plus n minus 1 into D is the nth term. So, to find nth term, that is, to find the 8th term of AP, to find the 12th term of AP, we are using the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here first term is the A and D is equal to T2 minus T1. This T1, T2, term 1, term 2. So T2 minus T1 is difference. If they given the last term means L. Then to find the number of terms, we have to use this formula. N is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. After that, the sum of n terms of an AP. The sum of n terms on AP is Sn. That is, the sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. Yes. Then the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is denoted by Sn. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. To find the sum of the terms in the given series, we are using this formula. If in the series, if they are given the last term means, we have to use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Now we will see the exercise 2.6 second problem. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? How many consecutive odd numbers? That is continuous odd numbers. That 1, 3, 5, 7. The first number is 5. It is beginning with 5. So, the consecutive odd numbers beginning with 5 be 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. The sum is 480. Okay. Here the A is the first term, 5. A is equal to 5. Then D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then also they are given Sn is equal to 480. The sum of the terms is 480. Then you have to find how many numbers, if you add, it will come as 480. That is, you have to find the sum of n consecutive integers. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn they are given as 480. Then n by 2 into 2 into 5 plus n minus 1. Now we don't know the n number of terms. So n minus 1 into d we know 2. Then you have to multiply. You have to take 2 outside. Here also 1, 2. Here also 2 terms are here. The first term also you have 2. The second term also you have 2. So, you have to take 2 outside commonly. Then you cancel this. Remaining is 5. Plus here the remaining is n minus 1. So, 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus n. Here n. n into we have 4 plus n. So, 4n plus n square is equal to 480. In the equation, we have formed an equation n square plus 4n minus 480 is equal to 0. Then n minus here you have to, this is in the form of equation. Here you have to Yes, we have to take T method. Then T method minus, last one is minus 480. So if you multiply, we have to get 480. Then if you add, you have to get 4. So 24 2s are 48. So 20 into 24 are 480. Then we have to get plus 4. So we have to write the negative sign for smaller number. So minus 20, 24. So n minus 20, n plus 24 is equal to 0. Then n is equal to 20 here, then n is equal to minus 24. Here negative numbers are not applicable for this number of terms. Number of terms must be positive. So 20 consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480. Okay. And the third sum is find the sum of first 28 terms of an AP whose nth term is 4n minus 3. Yes. Here they asked the sum of 28 terms. Okay. Whose nth term is 4n minus 3. The formula for nth term is 4n minus 3. They are given the general form. Okay, the general form of nth term they are given. Using that you have to find sum of 28 terms. First you have to find first term, second term, third term, so on. And after that you have to find the sum of 28 terms. Okay. N is equal to 28. The general term this is. You have to substitute 1 in the place of n. So T1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 3. Then T1 is equal to 1. Then T2 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 3. 8 minus 3. T2 is equal to 5. Then now we know the series. 1, 5, so on it will be. Then the first term is A equal to 1. Then D. Difference is 5 minus 1. T2 minus T1 is equal to 4. Okay. Now Sn. You have to find the sum of 28 terms. We found the series. Using that you have to find the sum of 28 terms. Then Sn is equal to, you have to use this formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we know the n 28 by 2. Then 2 into 1 plus 28 minus 1 into 4. Then 2 plus 27 into 4. 27 into 4, 108. Then you add these to 110. Here you are cancelling. 2 and 28, 14 into 110. And after multiplying, the answer is 1540. Okay, now we found the answer. Sum of the 28 terms of AP is 1540. Then the fourth sum. The sum of first n terms of certain series is given by 2n square minus 3n. Show that the series is an AP. They are given the general term of sum of n terms. So Sn is equal to 2n square minus 3n. Here you have to substitute 1. Then 2 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 is equal to 2 minus 3. Then S is equal to minus 1. S is equal to minus 1 means sum of, for one term you are adding sum to T1. Then sum of first two terms, that is S2. So you are substituting in the general term 8 in 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2. In the place of n you are substituting 2. Then it will be 2 into 2 square 4, 8 minus 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6, S2 is equal to 2. Okay. Here the sum of two terms, that is T1 plus T2. Then T1, T2 is equal to 2. We know the value of T1 is equal to minus 1. So you substitute here and find the value of T2. Then T2 is equal to 2 plus 1. T2 is equal to 3. This minus 1 comes aside, it will be plus. Then T2 is equal to 3. The sum of first 3 terms. Then S3 is equal to, substituting in the place of n as 3, 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3. Then it will be 2 into 3 square, 9. 2 9s are 18 minus 3 3s are 9. Then S3 is equal to 9, which gives T1 plus T2 plus T3. The sum of 3 terms is S3. So T1 plus T2 plus T3. Using this, you have to find the value of T3. Already we know the value of T1, T2. Using that, you have to find the T3 value. T1 is minus 1, T2 is plus 3, plus T3 is equal to 9. Then T3 is equal to, here 3 minus 1, 2. You bring this 2 this side, means it will be minus. T3 is equal to 7. Now the terms in the series is minus 1, 3, 7. You have to check that when you are using the general form, it is AP or not. The series is AP or not. You have to check to show that the terms are AP in arithmetic progression. That you have to show, that you have to prove. So when it is a AP, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Now see T2, 3 minus 1 is equal to 4. Then T3 minus T2 is equal to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So these two are equal. So the series is in AP. Now the example 2.34. Here the 13th term of an AP is 3 and the sum of first 13 terms is 234. Find the common difference and the sum of first 21 terms. Okay, they are given 13th term. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That formula you have to use and find the 30. They are given the 13th term value, that is 3. Then you have to find one equation. 3 is equal to a plus 13 minus 1 into d, 12d. So the first equation is a plus 12d is equal to 3. Yes. Then they are given the sum of first 13 terms is sum of, so Sn. Sn is equal to 234. So the sum of 13 terms is 234. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn they are given 234 is equal to 13 by 2, 2a plus 13 minus 1 into d. So here we are bringing this 13 by 2. This side means it will come to the reciprocal 2 by 13. Now 13 table, in the 13th table you are cancelling this. You divide and see. 13th table. 13 ones are 13, remaining 104. Then 8 13s are 104. So it will come 18. 18 into 2, 36. So the equation is here 2a plus 12d. The second equation is 2a plus 12d is equal to 36. Solve these two equations and find the value of a and d value. Okay, they asked in the question they asked the common difference and the sum of 21 terms. So for finding the common difference, they are using these two equations and subtracting these two. Second one minus first one. 2a plus 12d is equal to 36. A plus 12d is equal to 3. Okay. Then you are subtracting means you have to change the signs. So 2a, here 2a minus a. 12d get cancelled because minus 12d and plus 12d gets cancelled. Then 36 minus 3, 33. Then substitute a is equal to 33 in equation 1. 33, a plus 12d is equal to 3 is the first equation. So 33 plus 12d is equal to 3. 12d is equal to, you bring this 33 this side, then minus 33. d is equal to minus 30 by, you have to bring this 12 down, 12. Okay, the common difference is d is equal to you have to cancel by 6 tables. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12. So common difference is minus 5 by 2. Now we know the common difference and you have to find the sum of 21 terms. You have to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 21 by 2, 2 into 33 plus 21 minus 1 into d value is the common difference is minus 5 by 2. Okay, now 66 plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into minus 5 by 2. Cancel and it will come as 10. Okay, then 10 5s are 50 minus 50. Then 66 minus 50 is 16. 21 by 2. Now you can cancel 2 and 16. That is 8. 21 8s are 168. So we have found the value of sum of 21 terms is 168. Then answer. They asked the common difference is equal to minus 5 by 2 and the sum of 21 terms is 168. Example 2.35. In an AP, the sum of first n term is 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Find the 17th term. And solution. Sn, they are given the general term of Sn. So Sn is equal to 5n square by 2 plus 3n by 2. Okay, you have to substitute the 17th term. So 17 you have to substitute 5 into 17 square. In the place of n you are substituting 17. 17 square by 2 plus 3 into 17 by 2. Then 17 to 17, 289. Into 5, it is 1445. Then 3 17s are 51 by 2. Then the denominators are same here. So, you have to take one time 1445 plus 51. You have to add these two. Then it will be 1496 by 2. If we cancel these two, S17 is equal to 748. Okay. We know that S17 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus and so on plus T17. Okay. Then S16 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus and so on plus T16. We need the value of the term, 17th term. So, if we subtract S16 from 17, then we will get the T17 alone, isn't it? So, we are going to find the value of S16. Same, in place of n, you are substituting 16. Then 5 into 16 square by 2 plus 3 into 16 by 2. Okay, then 16 square is 256. So, 5 into 256 by 2, 3 into 16 by 2. We are cancelling these two, 128, then 2 and 16, 8. Then 128 into 5, 640. 8 3s are 24. Then the 16th term answer, sum of 16 terms is 664. We know that S17 minus S16 is equal to T17. Isn't it?